air, air, air.
Every summer, Eric and his family spend 7 days at 10-acre farm. In the morning, everyone gets up early to watch the cows being milked. Then, Eric likes to help with the chores. He fetches water from the well and gives it to the cows to drink. Then, he feeds the hens and collects the eggs for breakfast. Back in the kitchen, he gives the eggs to Ellie, the farmer's wife. "How would you like your eggs today?" asks Ellie. "I'd like fried eggs," Eric replies. Ellie takes an egg and taps it gently on the side of the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Then she cracks it open. Eh. Eric watches Ellie and pretends to crack open the eggs too, saying, "Eh, eh, 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 eggs."
Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh.
T, net, s, air, t, set, p, air, t, pet. We,
It is the school's summer fun day, and the children are outside, having lots of races. There are running races, jumping races, and hopping races. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet are in the hopping race. They line up in a row, ready for Mr. Heath to start the race. 1, 2, 3, go! He shouts, waving his hat high in the air. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet hop, hop, hop as fast as they can, but hopping is hard work on a hot day. By the time the children get to the finishing line, they are huffing and puffing. They sit down on the grass to cool down, and Miss Hopkins gives them a nice cold drink. "Well done, everyone," she says. "That was very hard."
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
I, P, hip, hip, A, T, hat, hat, E, N, hen, hen.